Welcome, Escambia County Public Schools. This is your Tech Tips in a Flash, brought to you by the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team. In this video, we will look at how you can get quick help with your Gmail. Are you constantly looking for answers to questions you have about your Gmail? You might ask questions about how to do things like send or unsend Gmail messages, create rules to filter your emails, organize and archive your email, or maybe even change your Gmail inbox layout. Well, the question mark icon in Gmail is the Help button. In this video, we will show you how to chase down those questions to find the answers. Let's get started. Open Gmail and select the question mark in the upper right side of your screen. There are 4 areas of help in this pull-down, and the first menu item is Help. This brings up a menu with many topics that you may be interested in. You can also specify in search what you want to look for. Next in the pull-down menu, select Training. This opens up the Google Workspace Learning Center that contains quick start guides, Gmail cheat sheets, troubleshooting tips, among other resources. Let's go back to that question mark to get the pull-down menu again and find the latest updates. When you select the updates, you'll see the changes that have occurred recently in Gmail. And last, in the pull-down menu, you can select Send Feedback to Google. Here you can report an issue or let Google know how they can improve their product. So when you can't figure something out about your Gmail, be sure to select that question mark and find answers to your questions. Thanks for joining us for Tech Tips in a Flash, brought to you by your Instructional Technology team. For more tech tips, subscribe to our Byte of Tech YouTube channel, where we continue to add videos to support you.